currently here in Heartland Ford, out here in Fort Saskatchewan, picking up the starter motor. So we have the SA1072 for a 2015 F-150, and Heartland. It cost me $370 with a good discount, of course. Thanks, shout out to Heath Anthony for hooking me up on this part. And let's find a lot to swap it over. So here's the starter motor, that part, these ends, 12 volts, goes to the flywheel, I think. And swap over. Let's go ahead. Okay, so we're under the passenger side front end. That's the starter right there. So start doing the bolts up from up on top, and then squiggle it down para dito mag-rest under. So I'm on a 6-inch lift, so that's why I got a bit more clearance. So hopefully this is straightforward. Dito ako sa labas ng lot ng Heartland Ford. So that's the bolt that came off from this end here. So merong 13, there's a 13mm bolt on top of it where this ground is connected, so it goes on like that, and then have to take this bolt out to dismantle the bottom. Okay, finally got it off the mount. Ito na yung starter. Yeah. It's a summer bitch to get the middle and especially the top screw here. So yun yung screw. Takes a bit to do a reach around kasi that's the catalytic tube layer, yung exhaust manifold. Yan. Hirap, it's hard to reach up. So here's the starter, and then I'll disconnect all the wires from this back, from at the back here. Here's the difference between the two, old and new. Tapos put a dielectric grease as well, cover the contacts, and then we go from there. Alright, all greased up and ready to be mounted. Yeah. There it is, installed. Terminals are back. Mounting 1, 2, and 3 right behind. Up on top is done. Oh, hopefully this one starts smoothly. Just put the negative terminal back. So of course, first and foremost, you have to disconnect the terminals before you go ahead, or before you do anything electrical with your truck. So I'll bolt it in. Okay, let's give it a try. More time. And Heartland Ford. Oh yeah, did work. Awesome. So there you have it, 2015 F-150 5-liter V8 starter motor swap. And this got me changing on around 130 kalasa dali and that's 139, almost 140k for it, before my starter motor gave. Of course, this is Edmonton, Alberta, here in Canada. It's gonna be a lot of startups, remote starts primarily for me. So yeah, got it all resolved. So thank you for watching and safe drive always. Deadpool F-150 signing out.